Welcome to my channel Chemistry class. Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to chemistry class. In the last video, we learned about the first four branches of chemistry. My dear student, today we will continue and explore the next four branches of chemistry. Today, we will continue and explore the next four branches of chemistry, each one as unique and exciting. So, let's begin. The first one is mean, the fifth one is biochemistry, the sixth one is nuclear chemistry, and seventh is industrial chemistry, and eighth is environmental chemistry. So, let's start with the biochemistry. Biochemistry means the chemistry of living cell. It is the study of chemical processes inside living things like the human body, animals, and plants. For example, how food turns into energy, how our body fights diseases, how enzymes work, all are part of biochemistry. My dear student, biochemistry connects biology and chemistry. So remember biochemistry as a sum of biology and chemistry. Understand? My dear student, it helps us understand life at the molecular levels. Now, the sixth one is nuclear chemistry, mean the chemistry of atoms and energy. Nuclear chemistry is the most powerful branch of chemistry. It studies the changes in the nucleus of atom and the energy released from it. For example, nuclear power plants, atomic bombs, and even the sun's energy all are related to nuclear chemistry. My dear student, it also helps in cancer treatment using radiation. So remember, nuclear chemistry is the chemistry of nucleus. It is the branch of energy and power. So next is the industrial chemistry, very practical and useful branch. It deals with the chemical processes in industries and factories. For example, making cement, paint, soap, paper, glass, plastic, and fertilizer. This branch helps make useful product on a large scale. So remember, industrial chemistry is chemistry and real life product. It is the branch behind the production zone. Now let's talk about environmental chemistry. Mean the branch that protect our planets. It studies the chemical changes in nature and how human activities affect the environment. For example, air pollutions, water pollution, acid rain, ozone layer, and climate change all are part of environmental chemistry. My dear student, it helps us understand how to keep the earth clean and safe. Mean environmental chemistry is an environmental chemistry is study chemistry plus nature. It is the chemistry that cares. All these branches show how chemistry is connected to your health our world and our futures. This is all about the today lectures. I hope you will understand. My dear student, if you have any confusions or questions, then you will ask in the comment sections. If you have any confusions about this lectures, then please you'll ask in the comment sections. So like the video and share it with your friends, and also subscribe to the channels and press the bell icons. Take care and see you in the next class. Thank you for listening.